Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the plumbing apprentices, the trade. Today is no exception. Today, CB2 will be putting in a kitchen faucet, while I'm putting in a hot water heater on the same property. So stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Here's the faucet CB2 we'll be replacing. Going to put in a Moen Banbury. CB2 is on his own on this joker. Get her done, CB2. Time to let the boy fly. It's time. This faucet goes in here. Boom. The water's already off, lucky for you. Get some shots. Work with me, dog.
Yeah.
Plumbing?
No. I'm sorry, man. Wow, I forgot.
What you got, CB?
I forget what one was hot and cold.
Let's think about this for a minute.
Would it be this one hot?
What's the dishwasher get? Let's think plumbing.
Alright, I'll figure it out.
What? What's that dishwasher get? What kind of hot water?
Hot.
Dishwasher gets hot water. What's that T connector do down by your eyeball?
Dishwasher.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it, left would be hot.
When you're done, make sure they're straight up top. They look a little cocked, so you know.
What, the faucet?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll look at it again.
Now I got the water off right now. Okay. Alright, yeah, that's still hot.
so easy then, huh? Somebody tell me. Probably should got a smaller supply, but. Bro, what the fuck? Jesus.
Looks good. Still a little crooked. Not really. What? Uncross it. Strong arm this valve. Hold on. Oh. New faucet, always take out the aerator. Okay. Going all the way. Yeah. Hot. Hot side on. Let me guess. Water saver. Moen. 1.5 gallons per minute. Get the water on all the way. Looks like it. Check your underneath. Anything leaking? You good? Show everybody what you did, alright?
Check out my perspective. Just hooked up those two supplies. That hose. That's pretty much it. Simple.
Alright, let's see what CB did out here. We just want to make sure we got no leaky in here. And CB looks good in here. Okay. We're gonna let the boy struggle now. No drippy. Very good. CB got it done. Did you get her done?
Got it done. My foot's stuck.
Did you get her done?
Got it done.
Did you get her done? Do we have a satisfied customer? He's weak. He's weak. We'll see you at the next one. CB2 put in a kitchen faucet. I don't know what kind of video shots he got. We couldn't get it out of him, but we're trying. Anyway, we got her done, and we'll see you at the next one. And there goes another satisfied customer. All right, guys, have a great weekend. See you Monday.